Have you ever been near her and nothing obvious was happening, but it still felt like something was going on? No conversation shift, no clear signal. Just that quiet tension you can't really explain, like when your eyes meet for a second longer than normal, or when she suddenly starts messing with her sleeves or her necklace for no real reason. Almost like her hands are trying to say something her mouth won't. That's the space we're talking about today. The space where attraction doesn't talk. It shows women are especially good at this. They communicate through movement, small touches, tiny adjustments. They don't even notice they're making. And if you know what to look for, those movements can tell you way more than words ever will. Because these aren't random habits, they're subconscious reactions, little emotional leaks tied to interest, curiosity, sometimes more than that. From how she plays with her hair to how she handles her phone when you walk by, her body might be giving off signals you don't catch unless you're paying attention. So if you've ever wondered, is she actually into me, you're about to get some clarity. In this video, we're breaking down 5 things she might touch around you and what those actions usually mean on a psychological and emotional level. No fluff, no games, just patterns people repeat. Let's start. Number 1. Her clothes. Watch this closely. When a woman feels drawn to someone, she often becomes more aware of how she looks. Not in an obvious way. In a quiet way, she might pull at her sleeves, smooth her shirt, adjust her outfit even though nothing was wrong with it. That movement isn't about fashion. It's about awareness. Your presence flips a switch. Suddenly, she's checking herself without realizing it. Picture this. You're talking during a break. She's smiling, then she glances down and lightly tugs at the edge of her sweater. Conversation keeps going like nothing happened, but that moment mattered. Her mind is running quick questions. Do I look okay right now? Is he noticing me? She probably couldn't explain why she did it, but her body already knows, because when she touches her clothes like that, she's not fixing fabric, she's steadying herself around you. Number 2, her neck. This one gets missed a lot. The neck is a vulnerable area. When people feel closed off, they protect it. When they feel open, they touch it. If she brushes her fingers along her neck, adjusts her collar, or tilts her head slightly while talking to you, that usually means comfort mixed with attraction, not fear, trust. It's her body relaxing instead of pulling away. There's also a physical response happening. Touching the neck increases awareness and sensitivity. It often shows up when emotions are activated. So if you notice her doing this and her posture stays open, that's not random. That's her body reacting to how she feels around you. Sometimes the body moves before the mind catches up. Number 3, her legs or thighs. This one looks subtle, but it carries weight. When a woman is attracted, she becomes more aware of her body. She might shift her legs, cross and uncross them, lightly touch her thigh while sitting near you. It looks casual, almost unintentional. But those movements are about presence, not discomfort. If she's doing this while leaning in, laughing easily, or holding eye contact, that's not coincidence. Her body is settling into the interaction. Those small adjustments are often her way of saying, I'm comfortable here. Notice me. Number 4, her hair. Hair is one of the strongest non-verbal signals. If she keeps fixing it, twirling it, flipping it to one side, or tucking it behind her ear when you're around, that's not just habit. It gives her hands something to do. It draws attention to her face and neck. It's a grooming response tied to attraction. If she repeats the motion, even when her hair is already out of the way, that repetition matters. Her body is expressing interest without saying it. Number 5. Her phone. This one confuses people. If she's scrolling non-stop and disengaged, that's disinterest. But if she keeps picking up her phone, tapping it, setting it down, flipping it in her hand without really using it, that's different. That's nervous energy. The phone becomes something to hold so she doesn't give herself away. If she smiles while looking at it but doesn't really focus on the screen, the phone isn't what she's reacting to. Bonus sign 1, her feet or ankles. This one is surprisingly honest. Feet are controlled least consciously. When they move, truth slips out. If her feet point toward you, even when her body doesn't, that's interest. If she crosses and uncrosses her ankles, sways her foot, or slips her shoe slightly on and off, that often signals comfort mixed with attraction. She might look calm, her feet might tell a different story. Here's the bigger picture. Every touch, every adjustment, every fidget, they're not accidents, they're emotional signals. Her body is expressing things her mind hasn't put into words yet. Attraction rarely announces itself. It shows up quietly. And once you start noticing these patterns, you stop guessing. You don't have to wonder anymore because interest isn't always spoken. Sometimes it's revealed through what she can't stop touching when you're around. And once you learn to see that interactions start making a lot more sense, that's how you listen to what isn't being said.